Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Another great song from the Strokes with the new album Reality Awaits. We have this main thing going on here, and eternity just rolls and rolls in the same way through the entire song. We'll love that scenario. Now, before we move on with this tutorial, yes, maybe you heard it, I have a new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Completely different way of teaching out. We have a full playthrough there, and yeah, a nice way to learn a full song with chords shown on the screen. Link up here somewhere. Go and check out that one. Subscribe to that channel if you want to thank me for anything I'm doing here. That is the best way to do it. So thank you so much. Now let's focus on the Strokes. Cape on third. Absolute best scenario for us. We have 5 chords. Let's roll the chords. We have the A minor 7 first. Alright, so that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and third E. Next chord is the D. That will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. G major 7, sus2. That will be third E, open A, open D, open G, third B, and second E. Then we have the E minor. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and third E. And finally we have the E minor add 9. Only difference there is the third E goes to second E instead, so that gives us open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and second E. And there we have the final chord, and that is also the order of the chord progression, so we're gonna play that order through the entire song. Now, how to handle this: A minor 7, grab that one, and one string around sounds like this. So I play down, down, up, down. A couple of rounds. Alright, so let's go into it. We have the A minor 7, 2 string rounds, D, 2 string rounds, the G major, 2 string rounds, then E minor 1, and E minor add 9, 1. And that's it. So let's play it. A minor 2, D2, G2, E minor 1, E minor 1. And again. That's it, my friends. Doesn't have to be hard in that. Lonely in the future. Hoping I'm not, because I want you guys in my future. So thank you for supporting me here. Don't forget my new channel and all that good stuff. Hope to see you soon.